Snow TV, a spring of collective entertainment.
I don't know what she's gonna do, y'all.
Snow TV, a spring of collective entertainment.
We appreciate your support and would love for you to become a part of our growing community. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Your likes help us know what you love, and we encourage you to share our videos with friends who might enjoy them too. We value your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below each video. We want to hear from you. Together, let's create an engaging space where everyone can learn and have fun. Thank you for being here with us.
Snow TV, a spring of collective entertainment.
Tired of missing out on the latest news? Don't let important updates slip through the cracks. Snow TV is your one-stop shop for breaking news, in-depth analysis, and insightful commentary. We cover everything from sport, entertainment, politics, and business to technology and culture, ensuring you're always in the know. Why choose Snow TV? Fast and reliable. Get the news as it happens with real-time updates and breaking news alerts. Unbiased reporting. We strive for accuracy and objectivity, providing you with the facts without spin. Our user-friendly website makes it simple to find the news that matters to you. Easy to navigate, engaging content. We deliver the news in a clear, concise, and engaging way. Follow us today and never miss a beat at Official Snow TV and our website, www.snowmediatv.blogspot.com.